So, let's solve for a slant asymptote then. So, we do not have a slant asymptote because we already have a horizontal asymptote. Also, the power rule does not exist. Notice in this function, we have an x variable on the top with a power that is 1 greater than the x on the bottom. Whenever you have this, a slant asymptote does exist. We do not have it in this case, therefore we have no slant asymptotes. Let's go solve the next clue. I'm so excited. There it is. Congratulations, you found your next clue. Now solve for increasing and decreasing. Let's go find it out then. So, now let's plot our intervals of increasing and decreasing. What we have here is we have a number line. We've plotted all of our restrictions and our critical points on this number line. So now we need to check in between each point. So we plugged in f of -2, so you take your function, plug in a -2 for every x, and your result will be less than 0. This means that this interval is decreasing. This interval we plugged in a -2 over 3, we got the same result, it's less than 0, decreasing. This here, we plugged in a positive, that is a -1 over 4. And we found that this is actually increasing. Here, we plugged in a positive 1 over 4, and we got that it was also increasing. And for the last two intervals, they're both less than 0 when we plugged in these points, so it's going to be decreasing for both intervals. Therefore, when you look at your number line, you should be able to figure out exactly where it's increasing or decreasing. So for increasing, we have from here to here. So therefore, -1 over √3 to 0, because we can't include 0, because it is a restriction. And then 0 to 1 over √3. That is for increasing. Decreasing, -infinity to -1. Again, that is a restriction. We cannot include that point. And -1 to -1 over √3. And then we also have 1 over √3 to 1. And then 1 to infinity. That's our increasing and decreasing. So now let's head back and find our next clue. What we have here is an actual woodpecker. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, all this searching has made me hungry. Time for a lunch break. Nature Valley, nutritious. Time to enjoy this beautiful day and a beautiful granola bar.
eat or not to eat? That is the question.
This here is going to help feed the birds.
Well, time to go. That was such a good rock. It was so good.
What was that? What's that? A wallaby? Nah. Can you help me find my clue?